So this is my very dull headlight on my bike. So I'm hoping the globe is old and faulty, so I'm going to replace the globe and see if it makes a difference. Here, let's see. So the globe's in here. This just turns and comes off with a spring. And here is my globe. And the globe is very black and discoloured. That's why I think it's faulty. That is definitely brighter. Doesn't look a great deal brighter, but it's definitely brighter than the old one. So I'll see what that's like at night now. Easy to change. And I just bought 4 new globes because they're cheap here in China, so I just bought 4. Okay, so I've just replaced this bulb here, and this bulb is quite blackened, but just for fun, because I can, I want to see whether it makes a big difference, the new bulb to this bulb. Because on the bike I'll have to wait till tonight, or when I get a chance to ride it. So, let's close this door. So this is a new bulb. You shouldn't touch the glass part because you can get grease from your fingers on there and it can reduce the life of the bulb. Righto. So I want to see what this one's like. Okay, I'll use this. So find out which one is my low beam and which one's my full beam. It's 3-pin. I'm not sure which one is which. So that is my full beam and that is my low beam, but Full beam's quite bright. Low beam's very yellow. Right, let's try a new one. Shit, that's a lot brighter. Bump up an amp or two. The full beam's definitely brighter. The low beam, maybe. Yeah. Okay, I've got a new headlight in there now anyway, so how hot's that? That's okay. I'll see what it's like when I ride it. I've got 3 spares, just in case. Put them with all my bike junk. They can sit up there. And this one here, I will just keep it anyway as a spare, you never know. So easy enough to change.